When the PE teacher was questioned by Officer Alston on the job, he responded with the following.
Where do you work?
I am one of the gym teachers here at the school.
Tell us what is your favorite thing about being a gym teacher?
Well, I love working with all the students.
And what do you like to do in your free time?
Going fishing has to be my favorite thing to do when I'm not teaching. There's nothing like sitting on the riverbank, reeling in a nice big fish.
And what do you like to eat and drink?
I always reach for a bottle of water, and my wife's homemade cooking is the best. Anything she cooks is amazing.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your favorite things?
Well, my favorite color is blue. It's just a calming color.
What were you doing at 5:30 yesterday evening?
I was just putting all of the equipment away. We can't have the custodian tripping and falling over the equipment when he cleans. It took a while because Mr. Hoffman had to leave early.
Does Mr. Hoffman often leave early?
Yes.